To change Ar Emoji Freckles in Samsung Galaxy S20, open camera app. If used to faulty, we can open from home screen, tap camera app icon, or from app screen, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then select camera, tap more, and then select Ar Zone. Select Ar Emoji Studio. Tap give makeover, or if you want to change other your emoji, tap icon icon, and then select our emoji you want to change Freckles, for example, and then tap more icon or three dot icon, tap give makeover. Please wait, and then tap face icon. Swipe menu in the button to the left and find Freckles and molds. Then tap Freckles and molds. On Freckles, select Freckles you want, for example. And then if finished, tap save. Please wait until the process complete. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.